Here we are today, YouTube. I'm gonna show you guys how to do a press with this. This is a frame, which is this thickness, and then so we're using this one, this 20-ton jack right here. We welded this piece to this one, and then we got we got this piece of pipe, of tube that fits in there, and then what we're gonna do is get something to hold it up right there for it won't go down. And also this one, we're gonna reinforce it right here. We're gonna put this one like this angle like that, and then we're also gonna get more of that. So it's gonna be one like this, like across, and then this one's gonna be longer, and then after that one, when that's welded, this one's gonna be like this much longer, like 3 inches or 2.5 inches long, and then we're gonna put this one up on top. This is gonna be the base for the jack, so it's gonna go in like this, and this is where the jack's gonna be sitting down, and then this is to reinforce it for it won't bend down. And then after that's like that, we're gonna have the jack's gonna be like this, and then this is the other side where we're gonna be pressing stuff, and then we're gonna have this 1.5 inch piece of pipe, solid tube. We're gonna put it right there in the center, and then we're gonna have this one is the one that's gonna be the one that's gonna go like where you adjust it. We're gonna drill some holes, one here and then one on the other side, so it's gonna be 4 holes. I'm gonna have the piece of tube that presses for I could hold it down and not going down. And then over here, we're gonna have some thing welded, like some piece of metal welded here, for it won't come out, and it also won't move a lot. And over here, we're gonna have some springs going up and down for it could be more stable. And then after that, we're gonna have this one. We're also gonna reinforce it back here because this is where all the pressure is gonna be at, for it will hold up. So that's technically what we're gonna be doing right now. But once I get it welded, I'll show you guys how the process getting done in the next video, next clip. So this is how it's gonna be, and then we're gonna have our things, whatever we're gonna want to get pressed, which is gonna be like this. So I'll show you guys in the next part of the video when it's already welded together. So I already welded everything. I put this ones, the ones I told you to reinforce it, and then I did this base for the jack right here, and then I already put this nuts right there for what this is, how this is gonna go. This is gonna be the thing to hold it up there, and then you tighten it here, and then for the jack won't go down. So this is the reason why I did this one, for the jack won't go down. And then I already put the springs there is gonna balance the jack from moving left to right. And then so I'll show you guys right now when I put the jack, and then I already put the side ones, the ones I told you guys that it was gonna be like that, we're gonna hold it from going inside or left. And here's this other side too. So I'll show you guys right now when I already have the jack up here. So there we go. This is how I was telling you guys it was gonna be. And then there you go. It's going down smoothly. It's not getting stuck nowhere. And it's really easy to go on it, on the jack. And it looks, it's going all even down. Right there. And then right here, well, this springs, I just need to get like some stronger ones, because this is, it won't like pull it up. That's all the only thing that I need. And then I had to finish putting the other one down here, the one I told you guys. But other than that, it'll be good. Just changing the springs more like for there could be more tension, because they're really loose. And I'll show you guys in the next video when I have the other piece attached. So I already got everything welded, and then I already put this one right here. This one was to reinforce this, the C channel, and it's a 1/4 of an inch. And then down here, I put some angles ones right here. Let me get it to focus. Well, right here, it's another angle. Right here in this side, it's 1/4. So it was to make it thicker, and I did the same thing to this side. And then I got the foots, the C channel, welded the bolt, and then I have the nut right here to tighten it. And then so if I wanna like use it or like storage it, it'll be like just this long thing, and then like you could take it apart easily. And then so this ones are the long bolt, and then I drill each like every 3 inches the holes for this ones where we're gonna be pressing. And then this is all like used material, recycle from an old like trailer. The ones that see like the dumpster trailers, cause I got in a car accident, so this is what we like got, cause they were like in the little side cribs. They had thrown all this metal away, so we got it, and this is what we made out of it. And then so it's technically everything was. This is $5, so 10, and then I think it was $30 from the jack. So it'd be like a $40 press that we did, under 40. Which, if you're gonna buy a new one, it's gonna be like almost 200. So that's a pretty good deal that we did. And I'm gonna show you guys right now. How strong is this? This one is electricity pipe. Let me tighten this first and then start doing it. Press. And it's not even that hard to go press it down. Just that the springs don't really pull it up that much, just a little bit, but as you guys can see, it's really flat. And then this is the gas pipe. I already did this side, but I'll show you guys on the other side. I honestly don't mind bringing it up because it's a budget one, not really that much expensive. And if I was to buy a new one, it would be more expensive buying a new one than building your own. And you guys all know how thick is the gas pipe. And it's not that hard bringing it up. And this is how I left it. Really flat. So it's really strong press. It'll work for any job you guys would need. And it's under $50 or $40. So I hope you guys like the video and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Please like and share.